Welcome to Homeschool with Nanajo. With me, as always, are my sidekicks and students, Sophia and Avery. We're going to continue our sound lesson today. We are going to talk about amplification. What is amplification?
I don't know.
Well, let's find out. Let's ask our computer first, what is the definition of amplification? What is the definition of amplification?
Amplification is usually defined as the act of amplifying or the state of being amplified.
Let's go to the music room and talk about amplification. Pick a string on the bass there.
This one.
Play that. Okay, that's what that sounds like without amplification. Also, I just wanted to point out real quick, the reason that we have all of these stuffed animals everywhere is because sound vibrates, and we are muffling the sound by putting up all these stuffed animals and the egg carton stuff and the carpets and the more egg carton stuff. That's all to muffle the sound so that it doesn't get our neighbors crazy. All right, so now we are going to amplify the sound by turning on the power. Now we've turned on the power. Avery, hit that same note. Now it's amplified. Do it again. Amplified. This is my voice without amplification. And this is my voice with amplification. Computer, what does ASMR mean?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response and refers to the relaxing, tingling sensation that some sounds and visuals can elicit in some people.
Okay, ASMR. We have some sounds for you. Here we go. This is what happens when I whisper without amplification. This is what happens when I whisper with amplification.
Yum.
Gum is pretty disgusting. So we learned about amplification. And what does it mean when we amplify things? Sound. It's sound, but it makes it
Louder.
bigger, much bigger. The sound is much bigger. Also, if we need to do any kind of, what was that stuff called again, Sophie?
ASMR.
ASMR. That was fun. ASMR, right?
Yeah.
Little sounds become much bigger. I don't know that we're gonna do that as a regular thing.
Ever again.
I'm gonna do
Ever
it again.
again. She liked it that much, huh? Oh, different strokes for different folks. Because guess what?
Find a different ASMR channel to watch.
Absolutely. But learning is fundamental.
She's not okay.
Not okay.
No.